Come ride the magical, incredible, fantastical. Come ride the very airy library.
Welcome to the Very Airy Library.
Wow, it's awesome.
And it flies?
Each week,
Hey,
there's a
Mr.
new
Sam.
journey from a prominent author.
What is this place?
A few friends
Your
with us,
stand?
we about to travel on before.
Welcome, tiny human.
Ride the magical, incredible, fantastical. Come ride the very airy library.
I think we're ready to go. Hello, fellow story explorers. We just landed here in Waldorf, Maryland, and we're about to visit a young author by the name of Jeremy Oparah. And this is his book. If I Were an Animal, What Would I Have in My Lunchbox? Illustrated by Amanda Partee Manders. Oh, I think that's Jeremy now. Hey, Jeremy, come on in.
Thank you.
Welcome to the Very Airy Library.
This place is so cool.
And I'm glad you like it. Do you mind telling our story explorers a little bit about yourself?
Hello, I'm Jeremy Oparah. I'm in first grade, and I love learning math and social studies.
Oh, I love that. Can I give you a math question really quick?
Okay,
What's-
what time's that?
Oh, times table. You already learning your times tables? Okay, this is a good one. 3 times 4.
3 times 4, 12.
Oh man, you have been working on your times table. Now, Jeremy, this show is all about books, as you can see. I want to know what your favorite book is.
My favorite book is Nelson Beats the Odds.
Tell me a little bit about Nelson Beats the Odds.
Nelson gets bullied because he's not like the other people, but then when he tries to be like them, it doesn't work out. And then when he beats himself, he finally fits in with the others just right.
Oh, that sounds like a great message. Something we all can learn from. Be yourself. Okay, Jeremy, we're gonna do 3 things today. The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna play a game. How's that sound?
Great!
Good. The second thing we're gonna do, we're gonna learn a little bit more about your book. And then the last thing, my favorite thing, is we're gonna put your book into the eternal library.
Is it me, guys? Or is it getting cold in here? It's time to break the ice! All right, Jeremy, it's time to spin the wheel. Remember, whatever it lands on, you have to do.
Thanks, Daknee. Jeremy, are you ready to spin it?
Yes!
All right, go for it. Oh, describe the last time you laughed really hard.
It was a joke.
Tell us the joke.
What do you call a dinosaur that sleeps a lot?
A dinosaur that sleeps. I don't know.
A dino snore.
Oh, you're a young comedian.
That made me laugh really hard.
Oh, Jeremy, I'm gonna add that one to my rotation of funny jokes.
Now that we've had a good jolly, can you tell the story explorers at home a little bit about your book? Daknee, look alive. Show the audience the book.
Sorry, I got distracted. Remembering not to get distracted.
I wish I could fire you, but I can't. I need those hands.
And they're good hands, Cody. Strong little workers. Please don't fire me. I need this job. I have my mouth to feed, and it's pretty big.
Just lift the book up.
Oh, right away. Thank you, thank you. Please continue, Jeremy.
My book is about animals. I love animals.
I love animals as well.
And there's only like a few books on my shelf that has animals.
You saw a problem and you solved it. Love it.
Where did you get the idea for this particular story about animals?
I got it from my music teacher who taught me a song that helped, and my mom with the idea to put it into a book.
Jeremy, I love that your mom and your teacher inspired your story. Oh, that sounds like Philo.
Oh, hey, Jeremy.
Philo?
Sorry I'm late. I was finishing up my latest invention, the automatic booger picker.
Ew, boogers.
Patent pending. But let's talk about you. What's your favorite part of the writing process?
My most favorite part is sneaking jokes in there.
You got jokes, Jeremy? Well, what joke did you sneak in your book?
If I were a cheetah, I would like some gazelles in my lunchbox. I'd buy them from a fast food store.
Oh, Jeremy, you do have jokes. A cheetah getting a gazelle from a fast food restaurant. That's a knee slapper. So, I suppose gazelles are pretty fast, huh?
Yes, gazelles are fast.
Not faster than me. I'm magical creature fast, baby.
Are you sure? Gazelles are close to cheetah speed.
You never seen me chase Daknee out my workshop. Though he is deceptively quick for someone who doesn't have legs.
I am.
Just rolls around like a giant wheel of cheese.
I got moves like cheddar.
Well, cheetahs run 70 miles per hour.
Whoa. That sounds like I need to challenge that cheetah to a race. Well, speaking of challenges, what was the most challenging part of writing your book?
The hardest part was having no typos, because I sometimes write my letters backwards, and sometimes my H's look like N's and my N's look like H's, and that makes it hard to read.
Oh, yeah. You're talking about revising and editing, and that can be tricky. Well, Jeremy, it was lovely chatting with you. I'm gonna get back to my booger machine. Winter is coming, and you know what that does to folks' noses.
Bye, Philo.
All right, Jeremy, it's almost time to put your book into the Eternal Library. But before we do that, can you give our story explorers one word of encouragement?
If you don't see a book that you want on your shelf, write it yourself.
Wow, that's so powerful. If you don't see a book on the shelf that you want, write it yourself. Man, that's awesome. Are you ready to put your book into the Eternal Library?
Yes.
Let's do it. All right, here we go. Put that there. Will you hold that?
Yes.
Awesome. Oh, thanks for your help. Let's put it right there. All right, watch your hands.
Commencing literary ingestion process.
That's cool, huh?
Yeah.
Process complete.
All right, that's it for today, fellow story explorers. Remember to always be kind and never judge a book
Or a person by their cover.
See you next time, friends. Hey, where'd you get that bow tie, man?
I still don't know.
You don't know? When you find out, let me know. All right?
Okay.
All right. The book, If I Were an Animal, What Would I Have in My Lunchbox, is a selection from the Share Your Story writing program and published by Leap for Literacy. Visit startyourstories.com to see how you can participate.